Let me show you how to block spam calls on Android. Now, if you keep getting calls from spam numbers or unknown numbers, I'll show you how to block them. But first, hit the subscribe button down below. It really helps me out. Thanks, guys. Now, the first thing you're going to do is get into the phone app on your Android phone. If you're under contacts or recents, we need to get to the keypad section and get into the settings associated with your phone. Now, within your call settings, there are a couple different nice options. You can see under block numbers, you can of course add manually to block a number, but you have some options to block calls from unknown numbers. In addition to that, it says you can use your caller ID to turn this on so that it will identify the caller ID of the person. And then also block spam and scam calls. I would highly recommend choosing to block all spam and scam calls. But if you find that it's filtering out legitimate calls, you can choose to only block high-risk scam calls. Now, if you go back out of here and back again, you might have this caller ID and spam protection. You might want to go in here as well, depending on whether this leads you to the same spot that we were before. And now once you go all the way back out of here and go to your recents, any of these spam calls like this one on here, you can always choose to select those specific numbers and mark them as spam as well.